guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is all about photography. As you know, I do them all, honey, and this is one aspect of my life that I love and admire and enjoy because it just exudes creativity and artisticness. So yeah, today I'm doing a cake smash for a 1-year-old, so I'm so happy. It's gonna be a lot of work because there's family pictures that are also involved, and the mom and the granny and the sister. So it's gonna be a busy day. So join me. This is how we wait. It's time to set up. When it comes to cake smash, I really love to keep it simple. Especially when you have a cute baby, you literally don't have to do much. Just a few decor ideas, incorporate the theme. In this case, mom requested red and blue, and she really liked the idea of a red car, so I incorporated that. But before that, I am going to put another backdrop up, which is just plain brown, as you can see. I just wanted something natural, something fun, and I normally request the moms to bring the children's toys. Something that they're familiar with and something they can play with. As you can see, baby Ocean was having the time of his life, and the pictures look so cute. Smile, Ocean. Smile. Yay. How cute is that? Alright, so now we're doing the siblings and baby Ocean, trying to get a smile out there. There you see, we got one. Perfect. And we're going to get a few more options. Jeez, smile. Smile, Ocean. He's smiling. Alright, I'm gonna post another one where he is actually smiling. There you go. How cute is that? Then there's Granny and the girls and Ocean. One shot wonder, they did so well. Mama and Granny, honey. 2 generations looking absolutely beautiful in their dresses and red lipstick. Slay, mamas. Yes. Then there is a baby Ocean joining mom and granny. 3 generations are in this picture, and I think it's so iconic. Love these images, and we got such cute smiles from baby Ocean. We're going to try again. Look at that. There's another smile. I absolutely love it. Then there is Hot Mama Mabatu and baby Ocean. They did so well. I'm going to try and get a black and white picture because they're always so timeless and full of emotion. Look at that. On this image specifically, I was trying to go for something different, contrasting to what we've been doing, of course, because most of the images were standing up. So baby Ocean was posing with the mom, and they look so cute, don't they? Time for Granny, and she is just bringing it. Posing, yes, queen. Look at that. She looks so beautiful in her floral dress and a red lipstick matching with Mabatu. Cheese, ladies. Yay, got it. And we end that off with a nice laugh. And of course, Mama needs to get her portraits, and I love actually how it turned out. And we get that 3 generation picture again with baby Ocean, the gran, and the mom. Pretty in pink. Now this is the busiest part of the day, I can tell you. The cake smash. Baby Ocean did so well because it's quite stressful and he is tired. As you can understand, it's been a long day. However, we managed to get a few cute pictures. But what's interesting about this next shot is that when the dad was trying to get him back into the shot, I managed to capture that moment, and I think it worked out so well. Look at that. How cute. Now the siblings are trying to create a party vibe over here, trying to sing and, creating that happy birthday mood so he can sing along. And he was just eating, which worked in my advantage. Well done, baby Ocean. Trying to get a few more pictures before he falls asleep, and he gives us one last one with tears in his eyes because he's tired. Well, we're going to end it there. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe.